Hello, I'm Caitlin Martin. This will be my third year teaching. I am a special ed teacher in a kindergarten classroom, so I co-teach with another teacher. So we have a general ed teacher, a special ed teacher, which is me, and we have an aide in our classroom almost all day. This year we have about 15 kids. It kind of fluctuates because kids can go between our school and our sister elementary school. We have 15 and we have some students that have IEPs. So we do a lot of small group, and with small group we use our iPads. So that's one of our technologies that we have in our school that is available to all of our students, because each student has one. And it has set that it's their iPad, so we know exactly who they are and like what level they are when they sign in onto things. Each week, each class gets to have a computer lab time, which is about 45 minutes. So it's working on kids understanding how to get on the computer, using, getting off of the computer, especially with kindergarten. It's kind of hard to get into a lot of the things that they would need to do to be able to work on the computers. So we do a thing called reading eggs. It's awesome. They get on and they do a test at the beginning. And then after they do their test, it levels them, and it's all for reading. So if there's somebody that knows all their letters, especially because it's kindergarten, then they'll be higher. But there are some kids that would be lower, so they would have to start lower on the scale on the levels. And that means they would be getting the very basic of letters, which is awesome. In our school, we also have smart boards in every classroom, which is great. Because we use a lot in my room. We use a lot of smart board activities. We do things like that. We have an Elmo in every classroom, and we use that a lot. It's easier for the board to be able to do the things that we would like to show them, because we have a lot of students in our room that need it to be larger for them to understand it or be able to see it. We also have a cookie tech session every week, so that means on Wednesdays, our principal gets people to come into our school and they teach us about different types of tech. So even if it's things like Kahoot, things like Class Dojo, things like that. One of my strengths, I would say, is I'm very willing to try anything. I'll look things up. I'll do what I need to so that I understand exactly what I'm doing with technology. If I don't understand something, I won't hesitate to ask, because I really want to know and do what I need to do with technology, and I would love to be able to use it a lot more in our school. One of my weaknesses is, I would say, that some of the things with technology I don't understand, so it takes me a little bit longer to understand it and get my mind wrapped around it. But I'm so excited for this class and to be able to learn more about technology. My school is really excited about the fact that I'm going for my master's in instructional technology. It's because they really want me to be able to help people that don't understand anything about technology. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to get to know all of you on here. I can't wait to learn as much as I can about technology so I can take it back to my school and we can do the best we can for our students. Thank you.